Hello everybody and welcome to this week's singing assembly. The theme today is science. Happy Science Week everyone. We're going to go straight in and I want you to join in with this rhythm with me. So you're going to tap your knees twice and then you're going to clap like this. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Knee, knee, clap. Knee, knee, clap. All together. Lovely. And this is going to keep our pulse. And we're going to sing this. You listening? We love science. We love science. Let's sing together. Ready? We love science. We love science. Excellent. Now, I'm going to keep this rhythm going. And I'm going to say some lines of a science rap called Rhythmic Scientific. And you're going to repeat after me. So don't worry about the clapping. I can do that until we learn the words, okay? So here we go. After me. First line goes, science. Start with this. You. Science. Start with this. A question or hypothesis. Then experiment, do your best. Put your prediction to the test. Learn to observe and identify. Prepare to compare and classify. Use equipment carefully. Working safely, systematically. We love science. We love science. Well done. So now what we'll do is we'll go back to the beginning and let's put all of that together, okay? Now remember, the words are at the bottom of the screen to help you out as well. But let's have a go. So we're going to start our rhythm. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Knee, knee, clap. 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 Let's sing We Love Science. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. We love science. We love science. Let's do it again. We love science. We love science. Let's do the rap. Ready? Science. Start with this. A question or hypothesis. Then experiment, do your best. Put your prediction to the test. Learn to observe and identify. Prepare to compare and classify. Use equipment carefully. Working safely, systematically. We love science. We love science. We love science. We love science. Well done, very good. Now that song takes us through a science experiment. So we've done the experiment section, then we do the data section, collecting all our evidence, and then we show our results. So let's have a go at the data section of the song, okay? So I'm going to set the rhythm off again. Ready? Here it goes. So it goes, data, the information. Data, the information. Recorded from your investigation. Data from your experiment. Gathering evidence, make those measurements. Data, take my advice. Keep it accurate, be precise. Data, now are you able to draw a chart, a graph or table. And then we sing, we love science. We love science. Now repeat after me. Take your results, do some analysis. Take it back to your hypothesis. See that pattern, spot that difference. Draw conclusions from your evidence. Then finally it's time to act. Present your findings, use the facts. Tell everyone the things you know. You're a scientist now, come on, let's go. We love science. We love science. Once more. We love science. We love science. Well done. Did you notice that really, really famous section of song that we used for our we love science? I wonder if you can find out what it is that we've used. Well done, boys and girls. We're going to do one more song today that's all about water. And the beginning, or the chorus, goes like this. Water all around, water underground, water in the air, water everywhere. Right, so it's the same tune repeated twice. Ready? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water all around, water underground, water in the air, water everywhere. Then the verse tune goes like this. Everyone needs water just to stay alive. Crops and plants need water or they won't survive. So let's try that. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Everyone needs water just to stay alive. Crops and plants need water or they won't survive. Water all around, water underground, water in the air, water everywhere. Next bit. Seas and mighty oceans form the world's great map, full of different climates, icebergs to mud flats. Water all around, water underground, water in the air, water everywhere. So don't waste our water, not a single drop. Use your water wisely, little or a lot. Water all around, water underground, water in the air, water everywhere. Fantastic, well done. I hope you've enjoyed your singing assembly today. I will see you next week. Have a good week, everyone. Happy Science Week. Bye.